Today, we will tour 3455 West Kaler Drive in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. This fantastic 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom home sits on a spacious corner lot and offers incredible curb appeal, with easy-to-maintain desert landscaping and a charming brick-accented front. Step inside to a well-thought-out floor plan featuring a tiled entry, a sunken front living room, and a formal dining area conveniently located just off the kitchen. Here we have an internal laundry with a washer and dryer for added convenience. Ceiling fans and blinds throughout the home help keep things cool and energy efficient during the warmer months. The bedrooms are spacious and share access to a nicely sized hall bathroom, making this layout ideal for families or visitors. This home is available, and if you're interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. Step outside into the backyard, perfect for entertaining friends and family. You'll love the huge covered patio and the spacious yard, ideal for gatherings or relaxing in your own private space. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. With so much room to spread out and enjoy, and thoughtful features both inside and out, this home checks all the boxes. The master bedroom is a relaxing retreat, featuring a walk-in closet, arcadia door with rear yard access, and a private ensuite bathroom. Don't miss your opportunity. Schedule your showing today and come see what makes this home so special.